Good afternoon, everybody. Today we are going to discuss the question and answers of lesson number 2. The first question is, what is the imaginary elixir of life? The divine Amrita is the imaginary elixir of life which can make man immortal. Second question, what according to the writer is the real elixir of life? Answer, pure water is the real elixir of life. What is the wonderful difference the writer talks about in paragraph 2? The wonderful difference the writer talks about is between the two areas, the Libyan desert and the Nile river. The sea of billowing sand without a speck of green on the side of the Libyan desert and green fertile densely populated area on the valley of Nile in Egypt. Fourth question, what brought about this wonderful difference? The wonderful difference was brought about by the water of the river Nile flowing down to the Mediterranean from its sources a couple of thousands of miles away. Fifth question, what is the cheering site mentioned in paragraph 5? The cheering site to the writer is the rain-fed tanks that are so common in South India. Sixth question, what does the writer compare water in a landscape to? Why does he make this comparison? The writer compares water in a landscape to the eyes in a human face. He makes this comparison because water reflects the mood of the hour, being bright and gay when the sun shines, turning to the dark and gloomy when the sky is overcast. Question 7. How does the water in rain-fed tanks get its color? The color of the water in rain-fed tank is from the silt or finely divided soil in suspension. This color varies with the nature of the earth in the catchment area and is most vivid immediately after a fresh inflow following rain. Eighth question, what is the main cause of soil erosion? Sudden burst of excessive heavy rain resulting in a large run of surplus water are the principal factors causing soil erosion. Question 9. What other factors add to the erosion of soil? Precious soil. Contributory causes to the erosion of precious soil are the slope of the land, removal of the natural protective coat of vegetation, the existence of ruts along which the water can flow rapidly, gathering momentum, and the absence of any checks to such flow. 10th question, how can soil erosion be prevented? Soil erosion can be prevented by terracing of the land, construction of bunds to check the flow of water, the practice of contour cultivation, and the planting of appropriate types of vegetation. How does the prevention of soil erosion serve a double purpose? Answer, adoption of techniques preventing soil erosion would also help to conserve and keep the water where it is wanted, that is, on and in the soil. Question 12. What are the two sources of water mentioned in paragraph 10? In paragraph 10, two sources of water are mentioned. They are rain and snowfall. Question 13. The landform of silt in an alluvial area is always fertile. Say whether the statement is true or false. The answer is true. 14th question. Fill in the blanks type they have given it. Dash take place when water carrying silt mixes with the salt water of the sea. So the appropriate word here is erosion. Planting of the appropriate types of vegetation will result in The answer is reducing the momentum of the flow of water. Question 16. What does the writer mean by civilized forest? Answer: forest created by the deliberate planting of sapling by human beings as contrasted with wild and untamed natural jungles. 17. Mention any two advantages of civilized forest. Civilized forest would directly and indirectly prove a source of untold wealth to the country. They would check soil erosion and conserve the rainfall of the country from flowing away to waste. Question 18. How will the development of hydroelectric power help to overcome the inadequacy of water supply? The development of hydroelectric power would enable underground water to be tapped to a greater extent than at present, and thus help to overcome the difficulties arising from irregularity or inadequacy of other sources of supply. Question 19. Complete the following sentences with appropriate details. The Nile Valley is the creation of the river itself. Dash are a cheering sight, rain-fed tanks. A remarkable feature of water is power to carry silt. It is the silt which gives the characteristic water to the water in rain-fed tank. Soil is the foundation of agriculture. Ruts are formed by rapid flow of rainwater. Terracing of lands help in prevention of soil erosion. Indian agriculture depends heavily on seasonal rainfall. Farmyard manure should be used as fuel. Availability of electric power would enable to overcome overall development of the rural economy